It's winter here in Utah, and we decided we can't ride as much as we'd like with the current windshield we have. So this is our current windshield. It's from Clearly Tough. It's been a good windshield, but it folds. And we've liked that, but it doesn't actually fit up to the top all the way. In the winter, it's just too dang cold. The snow comes down through right here, so we're just getting blasted with snow. Or we come out, when we take it up to the cabin, we come out and the whole cab's full of snow. This is one of those times I wish I had a full windshield instead of this foldable one. Just for this reason. Because it's just letting everything through. And if it rains, the water comes through, all that sort of stuff. So we decided it's time to change it out, and we bought one from Kenimoto. You might remember previously we've installed their side mirrors here with the LED spotlights on the outside, and we've loved these things. And we thought we like them so much, might as well try their windshield too. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. I don't know who the shipping company was, but a little bit worse for wear. So hopefully the windshield's all right. It'll be a testament to the quality of the windshield. Oh, nice. Doesn't look like a full windshield to me. Huh. Hopefully we got the right windshield. I think it comes in pieces. Well, that's interesting. All right, that's how it attaches. Nice that it's all bubble wrapped. Oh, hopefully that wasn't important. I was worried for a second, thinking I got the wrong one. Trust me to order the wrong windshield. Because right now with Christmas around the corner, it's very difficult to get anything shipped on time. Oh, hardware here. Okay. Before I unwrap that, I'm going to get our old windshield off. Our garage is such a mess, I don't know where to put this. I guess right over here for now. Oh, I need to clean this place out. All right, back to the windshield. This is a plastic windshield. They do have different ones. They have the smaller ones that just kind of cover this portion. They have other full windshields that I think are glass, but they have the windshield wiper and motor and all that stuff. And I just thought, I didn't know if I wanted all that stuff. So I went with this one, and I think it'll be pretty good. I do like that it's made out of high quality plastic, so it shouldn't scratch and all that sort of stuff. There we go. All right. So I'm guessing that's going to be the center section. So that's going to go somewhere about like that. Just set that there for now. Another thing I liked about this windshield was the tinted lower and upper portions. There's so many times that sun is just right and it's just beating through. So having the center section be a clear piece with the bottom and the top being this darker tint, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, this brown tint. I think that's going to be a really nice thing to have. But we'll wait to pull off the protective plastic till we get it all on there. So that's going to go like that. Kind of like getting presents on Christmas morning. I guess I could have waited till Christmas, but who can really wait? All right. So now, I'm guessing this is going to go up in here. Kind of like that. I'm guessing.
Is it upside down?
It might be upside down. Before I get too far, probably ought to get out the instructions and check those out. Going through the instructions looks pretty easy. We have these brackets here that just wrap around the front grab bars, or front rolls cage area. Okay, so they're just gonna go around like that to hook in. Nice thick Velcro straps. So we got 6 of them, and then we got these little nuts and bolts and washers. And these are to hook the different sections together. So I'm just gonna open these up and lay them out on the table, and then we can get to going on this. Looks like I'm gonna need a little Allen wrench for that, but no big deal. And then just a little socket or nut driver, and good to go. Let's see what I got here. We've went through and just dry fit all of the bolts and nuts down along this bottom piece. Now we're just gonna tighten them up so it's more secure. Then we'll put on the top piece. That went together pretty dang easy. Just went through and put in the bolts and the washers and the lock nuts, and now I think we put it on there and see how it fits. Then we'll do the side straps and the top strap. Along the entire sides here, they have these nice rubber pads to help hold it so it doesn't scratch, but also so it's sound dampening and all those sort of things, which is really nice to have. Let's just try to get this fit up in there. Kara's trying to do it with one hand and a camera. All right. I think we're just about there, Kara, just a little bit more. Next step is just doing these straps up. Just trying to finagle it. I wonder if it actually, if I did this, and then came up through, so I... All right, there we go. I'll just rotate that over. Put them in there. I'm not going to do these up. I'm just going to get all of them done right, and then I'll try to situate everything to make sure it's all square before I really strap them down. Come through there. There we go. Now I can pull that tight. I can tighten all these up. I do really like this. It looks really clean, fits in there nice, really stable, supported. I think it's going to be really nice.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you're seeing, but this piece right there literally goes into...
Yeah, it's cut through. It's notched out. So you get the plastic reinforcing through.
Maybe we can show you a little bit as...
So you can see these are notched out here. And then when you have this piece here, that just fits right down through it. So you just tuck that down through. And it fits so nice. I really like that.
Yeah, you can see here where that feeds right through the glass right there.
That went in pretty easy. I really like how it looks. I like the tinted glass up here and down here. It gives a really good look. But also I think it's going to help with that glare from the sun that you get. Plastic seems really good, thick. It's not moving too much. I really like how it fastens to the cab. So if we want to take this off, pull Velcro, take it off. No big deal. But I don't think we're going to need to. I don't think you'd want to go down the freeway with this on an open trailer. With any plexiglass or plastic windshield, you're not going to want to do that. So it's easy to remove and you can send it down the freeway. No big deal. Luckily we have our new enclosed trailer. We shouldn't have to do that. So tomorrow morning we'll go ride this thing. It's 10 o'clock out there now, so we aren't going riding. But to be continued. So to try it out, we're going to go deliver Christmas gifts and see if it blocks a little bit more wind.
Myself.
Oh, I guess I'll let Kara get all buckled up. Getting all the seatbelts on just to go down the road. I guess the real question is, does it block more wind? So, I guess we'll find out. Luckily, it's well below freezing here and about to start snowing. I do think the next thing we need to do is door panels or window panels. I know Kenimoto has some, so maybe we'll order some of them.
Yeah, especially if we're gonna start using this more in the snow and
yeah,
it'll just help.
Right.
Yeah, especially this part.
Yeah, that's really nice not to have that cold air draft in just did a little ride, delivering some Christmas gifts, and overall, windshield's pretty good. If you're looking for a budget-friendly windshield, this could be the one for you. About 250 bucks for this for the X3. If you need it for a different side-by-side, they have them for all different ones. If you are interested in this windshield, click on the link down below. There's an Amazon link. It'll take you right to it. Really easy to install. I think it's a good product, and really I like how budget-friendly it is. So, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and enjoy your weekend.